to fix Instagram notes. So, guys, if you want to fix your Instagram notes, you're gonna go to your DMs first, and here's the notes. You can see I have the notes on my personal account. So, you wanna go to your profile at the top right corner, three lines. We're gonna go to settings and privacy, and then keep scrolling down where it says account type and tools. Type on that. Now you want to switch to a professional account. The reason is sometimes when you switch to a professional account and back again, it updates the system and you will get all the notes. So we're gonna switch to professional accounts. Now these things don't matter. We're gonna switch it and choose back again. Just choose one of these, any, and then choose next. Just choose one of these, and then remember to choose business account. And just choose this. Just wait a little bit, and then choose next again, and then skip. And then once you're here, you don't. This doesn't really matter because we're gonna go back to a personal account. At the top left corner is the X. Tap on that one, and that's it, guys. It turns into a business account. Let's go back to DMs. As you can see, I still have the notes. Now, if you don't have the notes, that's okay because we're gonna turn back to personal account. Now, go to the three lines at the upper right corner, and then settings and privacy. Now keep scrolling down where it says business tools and controls. Tap on that. Now go down all the way where it says switch account type. Tap on that. Now you want to switch to a personal account, not creator account. Personal account. Back again, and then tap on switch to a personal account. Just gonna take a few seconds to switch back to a personal account. That's it, guys. You switch to a personal account. Now go back again, and now you're in your profile. Go home, and then tap on DMs. Now you should have your notes right here. Now, if it isn't here, then there's another way of doing it. Go to Google Play Store. You know to go to Google Play Store, and then go to type in Instagram. Once you're here, at the next to the Instagram app, it says update. You want to tap update, and once it updated, it surely will have your Instagram notes. Now, if this doesn't work, there's other ways to doing it, and the last one is uninstall the app and install it again. Then surely it will be there, the Instagram notes. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.